I'm Holly Hackwith, and my husband Steve Cass and I are from the USA, Nebraska specifically. And we became aware of Indicure through the online presence of Indicure. I had been to India before and much enjoyed it, but it was a more controlled tourist kind of environment. So this is my second time back in 16 years. My husband Steve had lived in Bengaluru for a few years for business reasons, and so we were both familiar and comfortable with India as a place to go for surgery. Also, in the U.S., the very best surgeons, the very best brains come from India. So we have a deep love for the culture and a deep respect for the medical expertise. When we found out how reasonable the medical procedures were, I included my husband in the medical procedures, and our experience has just been stunning. The surgery went really well. There was one full day of testing, and of course, any kind of testing is tedious. However, in my experience, you would never have pre-op tests just so sequentially scheduled and within one day. Ordinarily, in the U.S., a patient has to take care of those types of pre-surgery exams on their own. We were picked up at the airport. We were picked up from our hotel, which was recommended by Indicure, and we loved it, and driven to the appointments and accompanied at all times. It was seamless. I had extensive work. I had an upper arm reduction and breast lift and reduction, a lower facelift. I had my lower eyes done, and it closed, not a full rhinoplasty, but just taking some cartilage from a prior surgery, and then a forehead lift and reduction. I couldn't be more pleased. From day one, even though I was swollen and uncomfortable, I knew that it was a success. And would I recommend Indicure? Absolutely. The hospital was good. They're a little bit different than U.S. hospitals, and so I'd like to see those explanations to patients to make sure that their expectations jibe with reality. And that's really about the only thing else I would recommend. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and thank you for a body and a face that at this age 64, I never thought I'd have. Thank you.